Hey guys, so we have these magnetic charging cables here, which is really awesome. The boxes actually stick to each other. Alright, so the type of cables that we have is a USB-C to USB-C, but they also have USB-C to Lightning, USB-A to USB-C, and USB-A to USB to Lightning cables. Alright, so let's open it and let's look at it. I got two of these. So this is one USB-C in black, and this one is a USB-C in silver, and this one's 1.5 millimeters, and this one is also 1.5, but this one's in black. So let's see what they look like. So as you see, the black one is a black wire with silver tips, which is really nice, and then the gray one is gray with black tips. And the wire is actually self-magnetic. So if I lift it up, right, they magnetize back to themselves. So I'm going to actually make this a tighter coil, and we're going to see what that looks like. So as you see here, it is a much tighter coil, and it's still staying in its shape. So let me just lift it up from this end. Sorry. So as you see here, I'm not even holding it together, and the magnetic wire actually keeps it together. So if you're looking for something that's magnetic and sticks together so you don't gotta fight for your life with your wires and trying to overtangle them, or you can keep it like this. I like this a little bit better than the other way. So if I take this off, boom, see how that connects? So this is the magnetic wires. If you're looking for something that you can like hang on the side of your desk or connect to something, this is the option to go with.